good. Look at him.
He is. He's awesome.
He was so hole in it, too.
Anthony! Anthony! Get
get it!
that
Come
puck!
on!
Come on!
Come on, Alexander!
There you go, Alexander.
Get your blood going.
30 seconds. Go. Go to the ball, buddy.
Yeah, brother. Good pop.
Go head off. See, go up. Change up.
Eric, play center. Going.
Come on, Alexander!
Hey, Alexander.
Come on!
Alexander,
Go, go, go!
this way. Oh. There it is. Get it, Alexander. Hit it out of there. Hit it out there. There you go. There you go. 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 There you go. Go get it.
Stay back, Brock, on your defense.
Go get it, Alexander.
Go, Alexander.
Go get that.
Look at him going. Yeah.
Here comes. Here comes. He's going.
Put him right there.
Anthony, come up. Hit that out there, He's not doing what he's told. Anthony, stay back. Stay back, Hit it. Hit it. Anthony! Get that puck! There you go, Ant. Get that! Get it, Ant! Get it out of there! There you go! There you go, Ant! Way to clear it! Alright, hold on, Ant. Go ahead, Ant. Get that ball. Hit it this way. Go, Alexander. Anthony. Hit it. Hit it this way. There you go. Oh, no, intercepted. Alexander, Anthony, get back there. Want me to get that through the back? Oh. Anthony, you gotta stop him. You gotta stay over there. Anthony, hit that way. I mean, he's not really sure.
Is he a server?
Yeah, you got to stay back with defense. You got the right wing, left defense, right defense. All right, Anthony, move up. Hit that ball this way. Anthony. There you go. Get it out of there.
Get that ball, Garrett. Get that ball, buddy. Stick down. Oh,
there you go. Oh.
You all right? Everybody okay? Go, Cal, go.
All right, Ant, turn back. Hit it, Ant. The other way. Look down, Ant. He's just not into it.
He's on his foot today.
Too hot, probably, if he is.
Anthony, get that ball. Don't let him score. Hit it out of there. What's that? Anthony, go get it. There it is.
Oh.
Get it, Alexander. You drove right by it.
Like that, it'll bounce over the ball.
Oh.
Go get it, Alexander. There you go. Oh. Go get it, Alexander. Don't give up.
Keep going.
The legs are getting tired. He's screaming.
Anthony, get back. There you go, Ant. Go get it, guys. Go blue. Nice, nice.
Good one.
Oh.
You okay?
You alright, Alexander?
Okay, hon?
Peekaboo.
Lou, you gotta get in there.
Break it up, hon. Okay.
Baba, you thirsty or something? Want to get up?
Are you right now?
Oh, his leg hurts.
Want to get up?
His leg?
Where is it?
Okay.
Want to get up?
Go get it, Ant. Hit it out of there. Oh, that was a trip. That's a trip.
Oh, was that a trip?
Yeah. Stuck her stick out and chipped him. Go get it, Ant. Go get it.
Come on.
Tell the coach it was a
It's
trip.
almost over.
There you go, Ant. Go get it.
Anthony, go!
Go get it, Ant. Go get it, Blue.
Anthony, get it!
Go ahead, guys.
Go ahead, Anthony! Get it!
Yeah.
Oh, he went down. His Sandy, all right? Oh, no, that's not his band name.